There's the bubbles. You can see the bubbles coming out of there. Turn the heat on. No leaks. Let's turn the heat on in this thing. We have to reset the engine light. So let's see what we can do. Turn your heat on. Oh. Dumbass, huh? Dumbass. So let's see if we can get this where we want it to go. Distance, trigonometer. I'm trying to find where's the setting for well, the cooling system. One of the tires is low, but I'm trying to figure out. Go check on the baby, please, and